Introducing the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A, a robot vacuum and mop that pushes cleaning technology to new limits with power, precision, and a nearly maintenance-free design. One of its biggest highlights is its zero-tangling prowess. Thanks to the DuoDivide main brush and FlexiArm arc side brush, the S5A handles hair effortlessly without the usual tangles that plague traditional vacuums. Whether it's long hair, pet fur, or daily debris, the brushes stay clean and effective, saving you the hassle of untangling. When it comes to power, the S5A delivers an impressive 18,500 pascals of suction strength. That's enough to pull up embedded dirt, dust, and stubborn debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. Maintenance is just as powerful as the cleaning itself. The all-in-one Multifunctional Dock 3.0 takes care of everything. With 167-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, automatic self-cleaning, and warm air drying, your mop pads stay fresh, sanitized, and ready for the next use. Plus, the 2.7-liter dust bag provides up to 60 days of hands-free operation, letting you forget about emptying for weeks at a time. Edge and corner cleaning are no longer weak spots. The FlexiArm side brush and extendable mop reach seamlessly into corners and along walls, ensuring no dust or dirt is left behind. Combined with 200 RPM dual spinning mops and 30 adjustable water levels, the S5A provides deep, customizable cleaning for every floor type. Carpet cleaning is equally smart. With auto mop lifting up to 10 millimeters, the dual mops rise when carpets are detected, so you can vacuum and mop in a single run without leaving wet patches on rugs or fabric floors. Navigation is powered by reactive tech obstacle avoidance and precise sense LiDAR. Within seconds, the S5A maps its surroundings, avoids obstacles like cords, furniture, or shoes, and finds the most efficient path to deliver thorough coverage every time. Everything is controlled right at your fingertips through the Roborock app. From creating detailed maps and no-go zones to adjusting mop washing temperatures, drying durations, and water levels, the app gives you complete control. Smarter AI algorithms also help optimize routines, so your cleaning feels personalized and stress-free. In short, the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A combines massive suction power, zero-tangle technology, hot water mop washing, and intelligent navigation in a package that practically eliminates manual maintenance. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that's powerful, precise, and designed for true hands-free living, the Qrevo Edge S5A is one of the most advanced choices you can make today.